Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Lexus CT200h. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. Next, grab your phone and navigate to its settings menu to activate Bluetooth. This initial step is crucial for the car to detect your device. Once Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, you're ready to move to the car's system. Now, on your Lexus display, select the Bluetooth option from the main menu. Then, choose Add New Device to begin the pairing process. Your car will search for available devices. Once your phone appears on the screen, select it. A pairing code will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm they match to complete the connection. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy hands-free calling. Use the car's controls to answer or make calls safely. You can also stream your favorite music or podcasts wirelessly through the car's speakers. Adjust the audio volume using either your phone or the vehicle's sound system, controls for a comfortable listening experience on every drive. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system often resolves minor glitches. You might also consider deleting old, unused pairings from your car's Bluetooth memory to prevent conflicts and improve performance. Remember, a clear connection makes for a smoother experience. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.